The market is going to open up here in 40 minutes, and before it does, I just want to take a quick opportunity to show you how my system is by far the most profitable trading system in the world. These two set of lines here gives a long signal, it goes up. This one here, this is the only one that doesn't work. Gives a long, goes back, hits the stop. This one doesn't work. This one here, these two lines, works. Goes up, gives a long signal, goes up. These two lines here, gives a long signal, goes up. These two lines here, this top one and this bottom one here, gives a short signal, it goes way down. These two lines here give a short signal, it goes way down. These two lines here, this bottom one and this top one, give a long signal, goes way up. These two lines here give a long signal, goes way up. These two lines here give a long signal, goes way up. These two lines here give a long signal, goes way up. These two lines here give a long signal over here. Actually, this one supersedes it because this one gives a long signal. These two give a long signal before these two do. Therefore, this one is the one you go by, and it gives a long signal, it goes up. And then these two lines, this top one and this bottom one, give a short signal, it goes down. All of them working except for these two here. And I got caught into that and lost on that trade and was still able to come back over 7,000 for the day. Had I kept playing, I would have made far more the whole entire day. I mean, like 20, 30, 40, $50,000 in one day. Now that is the most profitable trading system in the world. Nobody has a trading system anywhere even remotely close to this right here. And today, I'm going to prove it because I'm going to trade all of them today on the YM. And you're going to see and witness for yourselves how powerful and how profitable my trading system is. I will also do a video and show what my account is at. I'm currently at $262,101, and I took $200,000 out for investment purposes because all I really need is $250,000 in the account to trade with, and I can do all the trading I want to do with that. And but you're going to see that today I'm going to make a whole bunch of money today. All very easily, all by using this one system, and just this one system. This is by far the most powerful and profitable trading system in the entire world. Any trader out there who isn't using this system is either crazy or ignorant, one of the two. For every trader in the world should be using this system. Market is going to open up in 35 minutes. Let's go take a look at the world clock. Okay, here is the world clock. Tokyo, 21:55. London, 13:55. New York, 8:55. It's going to open up in 34 minutes. Market will open in 34 minutes from now. Bangkok, I am in Thailand time. It is 7:56 p.m. right now. So to stay up until the market closes is pretty late for me. But if I can do it today, I'm going to stay up for the whole entire time. As you can see, Chicago time, 7:56. Copenhagen, 14:56. Rio de Janeiro, 9:56. Anchorage, Alaska, 4:56. Los Angeles, 5:56. I used to be in this time, in Los Angeles time, and the market opens up at 6:30 in the morning. Hated it. Did it for many years, but I'm just not a morning person. Melbourne, 23:57. Bad place to trade the USA market when you're in Australia. For Australian clients, I recommend trading the HSI, which is the Hong Kong stock index, and it's a great trading instrument. In fact, I'm going to start trading it myself. And the codes work perfectly on it. It moved 600 ticks last Friday. Moscow, 1557, 357 out there. And New York, 8:57 right now, 33 minutes till the market opens. Prague, 2:57 or 14:57. So you can see the world clock, and we'll go back to the chart. It's gapping down right now, the YM. Not very much, but it's gapping down a little bit. And what we're going to do is I'm going to use this system on it today and take every one of the trades. And you're going to see and witness for yourself just how incredibly powerful and profitable it is. And there's a reason why this works so well. You'll have to purchase my course in order to find out why, but there's a reason why, and it all has to do with mathematics, and it's very simple. If you're wondering how hard this is, it's incredibly easy. A 10-year-old could do it. Anybody could do it. And if they can't, then they should stop trading, because if you can't make money with this system, you can't make money with trading ever. In a million years could you be able to make money. So I'm going to show it today and prove that this is by far the most profitable trading system in the world. I'll come back when the market opens and when we get our first two lines, and then I'll play each one of the lines, and you'll see the lines. You'll see me put the lines on the chart before I ever even take the trade. So it's not as if I'm doing it after the fact. I'm going to be doing it before it ever gets there, and then when it goes and it breaks either the high or the low or the top line or bottom line, I'll take the trade. So we already know where we're going to get in advance. I'll come back. If you are a trader and you are not using my system, you absolutely should be doing so, because trying to trade the market without using my system is just too difficult to do. That's why 80-90% of the people fail, because the market is really tough to trade it unless you have a rock solid system. And that's what mine is. The best system anywhere in the world. And nobody can prove it like I can. So I'll be back when the market opens. It's going to be a long day today, and it's Monday. And we'll get started, and I'll show on camera how my system is incredibly profitable. Okay, market is about to open here. Okay, it's opening right now, 9:30 a.m. New York time. You can see it right there. World clock. Market's just opened. Just wanted to show that there's not any kind of trickery taking place. The real time, which the world clock is showing, is the time that you're seeing on the chart. See right there, it says 8:30 because this is Chicago time, because these futures trade out of Chicago. If you were to look at a stock, like on a New York Stock Exchange, you would see it's 9:30 a.m. because that would be New York time. But just wanted to establish that what you're seeing is the actual time that it actually is, and this world clock website proves that. Anyway, we got some good thunder outside. Maybe you can hear that on the mic. Got a big rainstorm coming in here. Anyway, I am just going to wait until we can get some two lines going. I have a long signal right now using another one of my systems. I could take it long right here if I wanted to. But I'm going to use this system here, which is the easiest trading system that I have, and show it to you all day to show you how far ahead I come today, which should be able to come way ahead, like 20-30,000 today. But we'll see. It just depends how much it moves. But anyway, you can see now it's 9:31 a.m. New York time. Anyway, I will come back once I get the lines, show them to you, and then once I take the trade, show it to you. Okay, we've got our lines here. Need to adjust this one just a little bit. Okay, we've got our lines here. The high is 65. I'd take it long. 20 contracts at market, ready to go. 20 contracts at market, ready to go here. Looking for the price to hit, I confirm this, 26,765. I'm going to take it long. Take a long entry. Purchase 20 contracts. This is our first set of lines. This one and this one. If it were to break the higher than this top line here, we're going to take it long. If it breaks lower or below this bottom line here, we're going to take it short. Whichever way it goes first, we're going to take it. If it breaks the top one first, we're going to go long. If it breaks the bottom one first, we're going to take it short. Whichever way it goes first. Got a really big storm outside, so you're going to hear some big booming. You should see the lightning around here. It is really cool. They've got some major lightning around here. That lightning that's like way high up in the sky. Like I think it's really close to the to space, because you can see it go up above you, and it goes like in all directions, and then it takes about 7-8 seconds for you to hear the sound. So it's pretty high up. And I think it's really close to space, actually. I've never actually seen lightning like that before. I've been to Florida, to Orlando, Florida. There's good lightning there, but nothing like that I've ever seen. And I'm here in Phuket, Thailand. And they've got some really nice storms out here. There's one thing that's pretty interesting about this place. There's lots of good quality storms to be entertained by. And elephants. Got lots of elephants walking around the roads. Not something you'd expect to see, an elephant walking down the road. But they got those. Lots of them too. And anyway, one of the nice things about living here, also they got some really good rainbows around here too. I've just seen 2 full rainbows within less than a week of each other, or about a week apart. 2 full rainbows. I've never seen that before either. I've seen a full rainbow before, but not 2 of them in like a week time. Never seen that before. But here I've seen 2 of them now. I think the sun is just perfect right now, relative to the equator, where it's doing that, and we're getting some rain and some clouds, and it's creating the perfect conditions for that to happen. Anyway, just waiting for this thing to make its first break here, and I'm gonna take my first trade for today. And as you can see, there's how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 different signals on Friday. We'll see how many we get today. And I plan to take them all, except for I'm not entirely sure I can stay up, because I've been going to bed early lately, and so I'm actually kind of pretty tired already. But I'm going to drink some coffee and try to stay up, because I would really like to demonstrate and show just how powerful this system actually is. Because I'm going to switch over to trading the HSI. Before I do, I would like to show the Dow really good. Okay, we're going to take it if it hits 765. And if it hits 765, we're going to go long. We'll take a long signal here. I'm in a long position. I'm going to buy 20 contracts. Okay, in the interest of time, I'm going to pause the video and I will come back. By the way, here's the world clock again, 9:55 New York time. And if I put my mouse over here, over this, look over. Whoa. Whoa, that hit my computer. Alright, I gotta go check on the house here. Be back. Okay, I'm back on video again. Had to check something out. Okay, it's already hit the price. Taking it long here. Okay, I've got a long position sitting at 26,768. I don't know, that last lightning strike, it must have hit really close because everything on my computer stopped. Everything stopped, and I felt something in my left arm, like almost like an electrical pulse in my arm, I think. Yeah, pretty sure I did. That was a little bit scary. So anyway, I'm just checking to see how close that's coming. That's really close, huh? You know, they say you're supposed to turn off the electrical equipment when it's that close. Probably not the greatest thing to do, either trading either. We have the number to the broker, just in case we need to call in. Okay, I'm up 1100 here, or 1000 here. 1100 now. Everything's still going. Okay, still recording here. Okay, I got the time back up again. Is that the right time? Let's see here. What time does that say? It says, okay, that's the wrong. Okay, I got to come up here. Yeah, that's the right time. 9:58. Yeah, see, when that thing hit, it just did it again? You know, I may have to shut this down. What do you think is doing that? That clicking sound.
Yeah. Like a first come, they get pick the spot and after that they come.
Yeah. Air conditioning still running. Everything had shut down on the computer, like everything just froze. The prices, everything just froze, and I felt like a shock go through my left arm. And I'm using my left arm to hold the mouse right now. I'm right-handed, but I'm using my left arm to hold the mouse because my wrist hurts on my right hand when I use it too much. So I'm using my left arm instead. With these storms, they usually go by really fast. Sounds like it's getting further away now. Okay, currently up 1300, 1200 here. Now, you don't want to get hit by lightning, huh? And we are at the top of the house too. We need to get a lightning rod on the oh man, we need to get a lightning rod on the house. Yeah, it's pretty close to us right now. Anyway, I've had this happen in Orlando too, so I'm not unfamiliar with this kind of lightning, but I never felt a shock before. Orlando has like low lightning. The lightning strikes will come really close to where you are a lot of times. I've had it happen many, many times to me. But okay, I'm up 2100 here. 2100. Need to keep a careful look here. I can use my other systems, but you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to use my other systems right now. I'm just going to use this system here and to show how well it works without using any other type of a system. The only thing I will do is for my exits a bit, I will take the profits. And I can use one of my systems for that in order to do that with. Okay. So I'm up 1200 now, 1300. It's bouncing around a bit, coming back down a little bit. I'm just going to hold on to it. I'm looking at it in a bigger picture. I'm going to minimize this window here. You can see we're at 10:02 a.m. New York time. Minimize that window. And you can just see, look at it on the bigger picture, okay? It moves a lot off of these lines, all right? And I'm going to play it in the bigger picture. I'm not going to take, just get out, like I've got 1800 in it right now. I could get out and make 1800, but I don't want to. I want to play it in a bigger way and let it go up, let it go down. There's going to be times I'm going to miss. That was close. I'm going to play it in a bigger way, and there's going to be times I'm going to be way ahead and it's going to come back and it's going to, I'm going to give up the profits and everything like that. I'm not worried about it because, again, overall, okay? Overall. Like, for instance, let's say you took it short right there and you got out right there because, you made a nice profit. Well, look what would have happened. You would have given up all that profit. Just hitting one of those trades right there will get you way, 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 way ahead in your account. Way, way, way ahead. But there's no way you could hit it unless you were to go for it. Now, I'm not going to go for big, huge trades like that necessarily at all. But what I am going to do is play these lines, play the system. And, when I get another set of two lines, if it says to go short, then I'm going to turn around and go short. If it shoots way, way up and I've got a whole bunch of profit and it looks like it might possibly come back down, or it's getting close to making some lines and I think I'm at the top of the line, there's a way to tell that, I will get out and just wait and then play a waiting game to see if it's going to go and break the top line again. If it does, then I'll go back long again. If it comes all the way back down and breaks the bottom line, then I will go short on it. But I will lock in profits here and there, but I will wait till I have a nice profit until I do, to show how the system works. Okay, in the interest of time here, I am going to come back. I am currently up 2,000 right now. I'll be back. Okay, it is really shooting up here. Looking to lock in profits now. Let me take a look at it. Okay, I've got 4,300 in it right now. Taking a look at it. Ready to get out any second to lock in profits. 4,300 is a pretty good first trade here. See if it wants to shoot up even higher. Okay, ready to get out at market. 20 contracts any second here. Okay, it's shooting up higher a bit. Just watching it. 4,800. 4,900. Just relaxing. Okay, what's that? Okay, it looks like we need to get out here. Ready to get out. Okay, let's get out. Okay, I just took it. First trade is 4,000. $4,000 on the first one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I can get two more lines. And then I will take the next one. It may come down. It may go up higher. I won't kick myself or congratulate myself either way. If it comes down, I won't congratulate myself. If it goes up, I won't kick myself. Because you know why? Because it doesn't do any good to do either one. Just trying to play this like a robot, play it without emotion, and just trade and use the system. You can see the system. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. It doesn't forever go up, it doesn't forever go down. it goes up and down. Right? Keep that in mind when you're trading. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. Take profits when you have them. Look for the next one. It's not rocket science. It is not that difficult. Don't get too greedy. Don't hold on to a losing position. Use the system 100% as I teach to use it in my courses. And you'll do good. You do really good. Okay, I'm going to come back after I've got the lines, and then we'll take the next trade.